What does it take to be a bestseller in a market as competitive as the midsize SUV class? Just ask the Toyota Highlander, which has topped the segment sales charts for 5 years and counting. Its success is thanks in no small part to its sleek 4th-generation design, which ups the ante even further with its unbeatable formula of style, performance, and premium features. This modern Highlander family exemplifies versatility with gasoline, hybrid, front-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive variations across all 6 of its core grades. But for 2022, there's now also a special hybrid exclusive Bronze Edition, sprucing up the lineup with an added dash of glitz. Let's take a closer look. Highlander's sculpted exterior offers an unmistakable design that conveys both power and sophistication. This organic styling makes a statement, whether it's pulling up to the restaurant for date night or cruising down the highway with your crew on a weekend trip. This exterior isn't just about looks though, with Highlander also offering standard LED lighting on all grades, as well as an available hands-free power rear liftgate that enables cargo area access even with hands full of grocery bags or sports equipment. Highlander's exterior also sports an available moonroof, or, in the case of the Platinum grade, a power panoramic view moonroof. And speaking of the roof, all 2022 grades are now available with silver-trimmed roof rails, a feature that was previously only offered on limited and Platinum models. But when it comes to truly standing out, 2 Highlander grades clearly take the cake. The bold and sporty XSE, with its unique front end, black accents, 20-inch wheels, and twin-tip exhaust. And the all-new Bronze Edition, which takes the hybrid XLE's refined appearance to another level with its exclusive cement paint option. Bronze-colored accents, 18-inch bronze wheels, and so much more. The 4th-generation Highlander has a premium interior that's sure to impress both driver and passenger alike. From its driver-focused interior layout to the dash-integrated design of its touchscreen multimedia systems. But Highlander's interior goes far beyond its style, with its great convenience features, including a standard power driver seat, in-dash storage areas, and rear seat reminder. There's also available rain-sensing wipers and an available 1500-watt cargo outlet on select hybrid trims. Highlander doesn't come up short on comfort offerings either, with standard 3-zone automatic climate control, several available features like heated and ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, and heated steering wheel, and even standard leather-trimmed seating on limited and Platinum grades. And speaking of seating, Highlander XLE, Limited, and Platinum all now include a front passenger seat with 8-way power adjustability for 2022. Plus, XSE offers 2 unique interior choices, including a red and black 2-tone leather-trimmed interior with red stitching, while the new Bronze Edition makes a statement with its illuminated bronze door sills, mid-century modern-style Softex trimmed seating, and of course, bronze-colored stitching and accents throughout. Like the exterior, Highlander's interior benefits from the TNGA platform, which helps deliver improved cargo space behind the 3rd row, as well as impressive passenger room in both 8 or the available 7-passenger seating configuration, the latter of which now comes standard for Highlander's hybrid grades. When it comes to in-cabin technology, every Highlander delivers big with a standard touchscreen audio multimedia platform that offers a huge variety of entertainment choices, whether it's music, podcasts, audiobooks, or catching up on phone calls, as well as multiple navigation options, all of which comes together to help make every trip fun and stress-free. And to take it even further, Highlander also offers a gorgeous 12.3-inch upgrade for the touchscreen display, standard on Platinum and available on Limited. But regardless of screen size, this system includes standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's even a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. Highlander offers great convenience features as well, including available Qi-compatible wireless charging that keeps drivers from fumbling for a cord. But of course, when a cord is unavoidable, there's also 5 standard USB ports, 4 of which have now been upgraded to USB-C style connections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And on select models, drivers can feel like the DJ of their crew with the available JBL sound system that pumps 1,200 watts of power through its 11 premium speakers. Similarly, the convenient and standard smart key system enables drivers to leave the key fob in their purse or pocket when starting, entering, or exiting the vehicle. Highlander also supports Toyota's line of connected services, including standard Wi-Fi Connect compatibility on all models, and available Remote Connect to locate your vehicle, lock or unlock the doors, and even start the engine, all from your mobile device. Highlander's emphasis on safety is clearly evident in its standard Toyota SafetySense 2.5 Plus suite of active safety systems. This updated bundle includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, now with intersection support enhancement and a driver-initiated emergency steering assist enhancement, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control now with curve speed management, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. And for added peace of mind, Toyota Safety Connect service also comes standard with roadside assistance, an emergency assistance button, stolen vehicle locator, and, in case of an accident, automatic collision notification, allowing Toyota's 24/7 response center to notify emergency services with the vehicle's location. Highlander further rounds out its safety story with standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert on all models except L, as well as useful features like available front and rear parking assist and automated braking, and an available digital rearview mirror that shows what's behind the vehicle, even when the cargo area is packed with items. While Highlander's powerful engines ensure that it has no shortage of get up and go, its real performance lies in its incredible efficiency and capability. To this end, Highlander's hybrid models have rewritten the book on what's possible for this segment, thanks to an EPA-estimated 36 mpg combined on the front-wheel drive variants. The other key performance story is Highlander's capability and versatility, which can be seen in its newly expanded drivetrain offerings. For Highlander's 4th generation, hybrid models will be offered in front-wheel drive, perfect for Sunshine State drivers that don't need the added traction of all-wheel drive and would prefer a lower cost of entry instead. Of course, Toyota's hybrid electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system remains a staple for those who do need extra traction. And for gas models, a choice between front-wheel and all-wheel drive continues for the latest generation. But now there are 2 all-wheel drive options: a mechanical system and a sophisticated dynamic torque vectoring system available on XSC, Limited, and Platinum that can distribute engine power to the left and right rear wheels as needed to enhance traction. Additionally, both of these gas all-wheel drive systems include standard multi-terrain select, meaning that drivers can enjoy environment-specific capability off the pavement, whether in a Vermont snowstorm or on a San Diego beach. And as icing on the cake, both systems also feature the fuel-saving driveline disconnect function to help drivers get every last mile out of their tanks. Built on the TNGA platform, Highlander's chassis strength and suspension design help to enhance vehicle agility, while also ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. And for those after sportier steering and more responsive handling, XSC suspension system and power steering have been tuned to deliver a more engaging driving feel. Highlander's impact on the mid-size SUV segment has been massive ever since its 2001 debut, and that's clearly not slowing down for 2022. And this successful formula is only amplified further with approachable pricing, ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and great peace of mind from warranty coverage like the 8-year 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty and the 10-year 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. Now, top it all off with Toyota's famously strong cost-to-own estimates and resale values, as well as its reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. And it's easy to see why Highlander is still the one to beat.